Hey, what's up beautiful people? This is Hailey and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this nail art using a fluorescent powder. Alright, to start off, as per usual, I'm going to use my unpeel off base coat. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apply this white polish from Maniology. This is a stamping polish. Now, the reason why I use this polish because it's thicker and I thought I can get away with one coat. But as I apply the first coat, I can see that my nail's still peeking through. So I decided to apply the second coat. I'm gonna get this cleanup brush from Uber Chic and some acetone and clean around my cuticle. If you guys have this problem at home while painting your nails, you can do the same thing as I did. If any of you guys out there want to learn how to paint your nails at home and you want to clean up your cuticle if you make a mess, you can use any of these cheap brushes. You can find it on AliExpress. And yeah, you don't have to spend so much just to clean up your cuticle, guys. And I'm gonna apply this liquid barrier all around my nails to protect my skin from the powder that I'm gonna use later. Okay, I decided to apply foil glue on my nails because this powder won't stick even though my polish is tacky. So this is the only option I have. So yeah. Right, these are the three powders that I bought from AliExpress and I'm gonna use pink, orange and green. But when I turn on the UV light, the pink turns to orange. I don't know how that happened, but this is some sort of evidence that I did use pink. So I'm gonna apply it near my cuticle. As you can see, that is very hard for me to apply this powder. This is the reason why I use a foil glue, because when my nail polish is tacky, it still won't stick. Alright, next I'm gonna apply the orange. I'm creating some sort of a gradient, and this nail art is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be messy, so yeah. Okay, last I'm gonna apply the green. Okay, I'm just gonna dust off any extra powder. And I'm gonna remove the liquid latex. Okay, to make sure that I won't make a mess while stamping, I'm gonna apply a quick dry top coat on my nails. Okay, let's get stamping. I'm gonna use this stamping plate from Uber Chic. This stamping polish black from Maniology. And a jelly stamper. So as you guys see, I put tape on half of my nails because I don't want to stamp a full image. So I'm just gonna stamp half on the other nail, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that tape after I stamp on my nails and voila! That looks great. Okay, on my middle nail, I'm gonna apply the liquid latex again because I'm gonna do a full stamping on this nail. And after all that's done, I'm gonna apply this quick dry top coat. Okay, and we're done. I'm pretty excited about this nail art because I can do this. Yeah, that looks cool. I can't stop playing with it. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful, right? And I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up if you do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more nail art like this. So, and yeah, don't forget to ring that bell so you guys know when I'm uploading a new video. Okay guys, I have to play some more, so see you again. Bye.